So today we'll be installing a Turbosmart compact electronic dual port bypass valve, blow-off valve. This is a hybrid, so some of it will be released to the atmosphere, some of it recycles. Let's see what comes in with this little package. As we open it up, we get our toolbox or decals. We have the electronic bypass blow-off valve, electronic, very nicely packaged. We see 2 O-ring seals and the M5 hardware that comes along. And of course, there's a little card in here suggesting where to get instructions, or we can use this video depending on which vehicle you're putting it on. This one is going on a Mercedes-Benz GLA A45 AMG. So one side will be facing atmosphere, one side will be facing inside the turbo housing for recirculation purposes. So that'll be interesting how this works out. Very nice piece. In this video I'll be starting with as is. The ECU is currently out of the vehicle, and the battery cover is gone, and I've disconnected the negative electrical system. So the new bypass valve is going to replace the stock guy, which is in there. We can kind of see one of the bolts there. Now let's get to it. So disconnecting this tab, if you recall the trick, little fine screwdriver, that middle tab goes to the side, pops off, very easy. Clip. So the recirculation you can notice by the little flat flange part here. So this is the side that will recirculate back into the turbo, and this will be the side that blows out in the atmosphere. So orientation would go like so. So let's go ahead and install. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos with the sounds of this blow-off valve.